One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it.
Let's talk about Uber saying acceptance rate matters.
Yeah,
No, it doesn't.
Their ass is on fire on this one. This is from my app too. They go, hey man, what's happening with your acceptance rate? Starting March 30th, having a higher acceptance rate can help you earn more with Uber Pro. La 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 la. No, Uber doesn't mean shit. So acceptance rate, what it is and why it matters. Why does it matter? It doesn't matter. They're decline and recline. So your acceptance rate is the percentage of exclusive trip requests you accept. Okay, we know that. Every accepted exclusive trip request contributes to your acceptance rate. These are requests that are sent just to you, Chris, and marked as exclusive to you.
Hey, can we not have ChatGPT and Gemini write your crap to us, because that just feels cheap?
This one?
We see the M dash. We see the M dash.
So, and then it explained to me how to check my acceptance rate. Okay, I appreciate that. Well, I kind of figured that out a while ago. And then the tips. The tips are important here. Okay, folks, get that AR up. Help Uber out on this one. Help them out. Consider accepting more exclusive trip requests you receive while online. That's one way to get your AR up. 2, go offline. Next week, by the way, we'll have a follow-up on this Lyft thing that is happening. And after 2 declines, Lyft is taking you guys offline, by the way. So you guys know, I have video proof of that. Go offline when you don't want to receive any more trip requests. Now, that's kind of sensible. That makes sense. No? I guess. And explore the earnings heat map. That definitely don't do that. Don't do that one. Do maybe the other one. You know, just log out. If they go like, if you're not going to accept, why is your app on anyway? That kind of makes sense. Like you're tying up.
You know what?
You're tying up my algo. You're tying up the spinner. You're doing all kinds of bullshit.
Yeah,
why are you doing that?
But here's the thing. The biggest thing is I want to accept the rides. That's why I'm online. But the problem is you're offering dog shit. So if I don't want to take dog shit and I want to take something that's actually worth my time, I have to wait. And because you continue to send me dog shit over and over and over again, I have to let it time out, because I'm not going to hit the X, because I'm going to screw your algorithm up the 50 seconds there. And at that point, then we'll talk. So, you know, if you actually up the rate a little bit, I might hit accept a little bit more. So I want to take rides, but it's your fault.
Well, they're doing the opposite. They're showing you the trip radar, and they're cutting it now. So, so Uber does have a nationwide acceptance rate problem. We appreciate all of you who we know they're cherry pickers here mostly, that they are doing everything possible. Now with the new Uber
Mine is the one thing they're supposed to.
No, the only thing they're not doing is pay more. That's the only thing. This will solve all those problems. all the problems will be solved like this. Your AR will jump. Uber Pro, new Uber Pro, whatever. That's none of that.
Trickery and more trickery.
None of that is necessary, Uber. Just ping the right price, man. It's just not right. The price is not right. So that's why we're not coming down.
I think that they need to go back to, I think that they built Dara AI wrong, because they need to go back to that Harry interview. Why do we have an acceptance rate problem? Well, if drivers, if they naturally accept it, it would go up, because if they're not accepting, that's our problem. We need to fix that. That's not the driver's fault.
Like, look at this one. Look at this comment. Listen, Chris and Sergio, Uber and Lyft needs to go back to 80-20 split for drivers. Guess what,
That'd
people?
Be awesome.
Guess what? Guess what? We have a behind the wheel coming out in Oregon. They're getting the 80-20. It's about to pass. Guess where else? In Colorado, they're getting it. And what are you all doing it? You're just sitting here fucking complaining. How did they do it? It took them 2.5 years in Oregon to get here. It all started with one of our viewers, and he did it. He worked hard. He became a leader, driver community there. Oregon Drivers United, they got it. It's in the House. It's about to pass. It's about to go to vote, and they're pretty sure they're going to get it. They're going to get the 80-20. They're going to get it 80-20. If you guys want it,
There you go.
start a campaign, grassroots, go talk to your politicians. You can do it. You got to be patient, but it could be done. It could be done. They're doing it.
Yep. All right. Well, either way, acceptance rate really doesn't matter. And again, the best thing that you can do for yourself running your own business, not to worry about them, worry about you. Your costs are your costs, not Uber's costs. So if they're going to offer you something that doesn't give you your costs, don't take it. If it gives you just your costs and no profit, don't take it. Make sure it's a profitable ride. Figure out your costs associated with driving. Then they only accept rides that make financial sense to you.
Especially now, with the gas prices are up $1 in a week. Especially now.
Yep. So that's the easiest thing. And when it comes to acceptance rate, worry about it. It's all trickery. It's all bullshit. It doesn't mean anything. And they can sing until they're blue in the face, but until they actually show the money, continue doing what you're doing. And if that's denying everything and taking just a few, then your acceptance rate under 10%, hey, that's what it is. So
you won't get diamond, but it's okay. Don't worry about it.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.